Cooking is very simple. Even the most difficult recipes, like people think Rasmalai, Mysore Pak, we can do it like this. Even Haleem is very easy. And today I am going to make it even more easy. So first, take a blender in which you put the boneless chicken pieces and blend it. Do not make it a fine paste, but blend it coarsely. And in a pot, I am making chicken stock. Whatever the bones are there, because adding the stock to the Haleem will make it very tasty. For making this stock, I added some bay leaf, peppercorn, onion, carrot, and so on. So just to extract all the flavors. We are going to make a powder that will make the Haleem even more easier. First, we are going to add a little bit of almonds. In this, a little bit of peppercorn, the Kabab chini, cinnamon stick, green cardamom, clove, cumin seeds, Shahi jeera, Urad dal, Moong dal, some Chana dal, even I am going to use some oats, the coarse wheat, that is Dalia, some sesame seeds. Now, you are going to blend this also to a powder. Here is the coarse powder of Dalia, oats and all the masalas and dals. I am taking a very big pressure cooker. In this, add ghee. In this quick version, add some onion, ginger garlic paste, green chili. Nice green chili gives very good flavor. In this, add mint, slightly cook this. In this, add some coriander. Now, in this, add chicken. Ghee and the milky flavor makes this Haleem very tasty. We can add some milk also in this. Just mix. Add salt. Put the lid on and let it cook for around 4-5 whistles. After 4-5 whistles, we are going to add the chicken stock, because this is what is going to make this very tasty. My doggies are going to be happy. Today, the Dalia, the oats, everything, whatever we powdered in this. Do not add the entire thing, just add the required amount. For 1 kg chicken, around 1.5 cup of this mixture. And now, we are going to cook it again in the pressure cooker. This time, you do not want the whistles to come, you have to put it on a very slow flame. In this, we got to add a lot of brown onion. Cooking is very easy. I have simplified Haleem for you just by 2-step process. In this, in the last, we are going to adjust salt and a little bit of mashing is required, not much either. Look at this, put the lid on, slow flame for 15 minutes and your Haleem will be ready. After cooking for 15 minutes and with the back of the spoon, keep mixing it till you get this consistency. Actually, we need to add a lot more brown onion. I am going to add some more. And in this, actually we add a lot of ghee, but this much should be enough when you are making it at home. I am going to add a little bit of rose water. You can make it even spicy. You want to add a little chili powder, you want to add some more masala to this, you can add to this and adjust. We are going to serve it with a boiled egg and mint. Now look at this, the beautiful chicken Haleem is ready. I am dedicating this chicken Haleem to my good friend Praveen Sugala, who has a biryani bowl in Fremont, California. And these guys are working very hard. He wants to make sure he keeps it open and provide good food during this time. So if you want to have the goat Haleem, you can go to the biryani bowl, ask Praveen Sugala and he will serve you one of the best Haleems. While I am cooking, the Queen Victoria was laughing all the time. And I asked why. Now she told me, when I asked for a kind of a cap, she gave me a cloth. And now she's telling me this is a blouse piece. So आज सलीम हलीम बनाने के लिए फातिमा का ब्लाउज पीस पहन के बना रहा है, इसीलिए शायद ये हलीम इतना टेस्टी आ गया. अब ये हलीम हम सर्व करेंगे. इसके लिए हलीम, so pour this beautiful, nice, and that gooiness in the Haleem is what will make this very special. Then add brown onion and add a little bit of ghee, star of a boiled egg, mint, squeeze in a little bit of lime juice and add few pieces of cashew nut. अब सलीम ये हलीम को सर्व करेगा फातिमा को, क्योंकि फातिमा का ब्लाउज पीस सलीम की सिर पे है आज. तो चलो, हमारा हैदराबाद में हर कोई सलीम बनता है खाने के लिए, बीवी फातिमा बनती है. तो गरम गरम हाँ है ना,
मस्त बना है।
है डिंग चिक डिंग चिक डिंग चिक डिंग।